What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel Blush Trust by Farzana. Today I'll be doing my everyday makeup look, and this will be very helpful for those who are looking for something that they can do quickly. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It helps support my channel. And now let's start the video. First thing first, I'm going to apply my Embryolisse hydrating cream. This is the one. It helps to moisturize my face, plus it saves my time. You know how? Because it works as my primer too. Now I'll be applying my facial spray by Evian. Okay. I need my skin to absorb all those products now before applying my foundation. Next step, eyebrows. So for my daily look, I prefer to do soft eyebrows, and that's why I'm using my Brow-Wiz in the shade Taupe by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now that I have done my eyebrows, I'm going to apply my Kryolan concealer wheel and my Morphe M124 brush to clean it. I have cleaned my eyebrows and then applied the same concealer on top of my eyelid so that I can start my eyeshadow. But before doing that, I'll just dab this concealer to make it more smooth, because I want a smooth texture on top of my eyelid. And I don't want to forget this. I'm going to use this Anastasia brow gel for my eyebrows. I almost forget about this tip. I'm done applying my eyebrow gel. Now I'll be doing my eye makeup using Shade and Light Glimmer Eye Contour Palette by Kat Von D. The first shade I'll be applying is the Porcelain. This is the one. I'm using my Morphe M518 brush to apply the shade. Okay, once again I have to make my eye base smooth. I was searching for my brush, but I was holding it. Sorry. So now that I found my brush, let's get into the makeup. I'm just applying this warm shade to open up my eyes. Because for our everyday look, we don't want something very shimmery or very dramatic. We want something very soft, but yet something that will open our eyes, especially mine. I have hooded eyes. I'm going to take the sterling color from the same palette and use my Morphe Y19 brush to apply this color on my crease. Taking the first brush, I'm going to mix these two colors. I'm not taking any color because I already have my porcelain shade on it. So I'm just mixing it to diffuse the harsh line. Blend, 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 blend. It's okay to take time to blend colors. I'm going to use my Sigma E15 brush and the Onyx shade to make a wing eyeliner. Yes, I'm going to use my shadow to make the wing eyeliner. Push, 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 push. Taking the color. It's a trick. You have to stretch your eyes and then slowly build a color. It gives a very smoky eyeliner effect. That's what I need. Now that I have done my eyeliner using my eyeshadow, I'm going to apply my mascara, which is so fierce by Revlon. Apply on our bottom lashes. Take time while doing your bottom lashes because you don't want your lash to look like net, or you don't want to mess your mascara. See, my lashes are looking very thick thanks to this mascara. I really love this one. Now I'll be applying my false lashes. So this is the lash I'll be applying for my look. But the fun part is I'm not going to apply the whole lash. I'm going to cut this false lash and then I'm going to take the end of it and apply on my real lash. I believe you can see my look now. See, I have applied this falsies to give my eye a very wide cat eye look. This is what I love to do for my everyday makeup looks. Now I'm going to apply my foundation, which is by NYX Professional Makeup, and the shade is Warm Beige. This is the one. I'm going to use my Morphe S3 flat brush. This is the one, to apply it on my face. I'm tapping it with my flat brush to blend. Now that I have applied my foundation, I'm going to highlight my face using my Fenty Beauty Matte Stick highlighter. The shade is Bamboo. So this is the one. I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead and chin, and then I'll blend it with my beauty blender. Taking my beauty blender to blend it. With the highlighter out of the way, I'm going to use my Morphe E4 brush to apply my bronzer. This one, it is also by Morphe. For my everyday look, I don't like to use contour. I mean to say the contouring color. You know the difference between bronzer and contouring, right? Bronzer actually gives us a sun-kissed look, which means it might have shimmer in it or not. It can be matte, shimmery, but the thing it does is it gives you a very soft sun-kissed vibe. That's what I like, and I'll do it now. I'll start from here, like next to my hairline. I'm going to apply it, and then slowly I'll bring it forward. Under my nose, underneath my jawline. Done! For the next step, I'm going to apply Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana to bake my face. I'm going to use my beauty blender again for this. I'm not going to apply too much underneath my eye because that will make my eye look cakey by giving this crease on my forehead, just a little bit. Now let's wait for 3 minutes.
2,000 years later.
Now that 3 minutes has gone, I'm going to take off this powder. Next part, I'm going to apply a little bit of shimmer on top of my cheeks, and I'm going to use the same palette by Morphe, which has that bronzer. I'm going to apply this one, the lead. It's kind of yellow, but it's not yellow, trust me. After applying, it will turn like something like gold. I'm using my ring finger to apply this on top of my eyebrow bone. Also in the inner corner of my eyes. Now the final step, I'm going to apply my lipstick. Now the final step, I'm going to apply my lipstick, and before doing the lipstick, I have to line it up using my NYX Professional Makeup Lip Liner, and the shade is Alabama. This is the one, and this is the shade. I'm and today I'm going to apply the Girlfriend by Huda Beauty. It's a liquid lipstick and we all love Huda Beauty.
One eternity later.
That's all for today's look. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And one more thing, please let me know about your opinion about this look, and I'll be posting more videos soon. Until then, take care. Bye.